Given a chance, would you live in a shipping container home with panoramic views of a captivating jungle canopy in a tropical forest? In this video, we bring to you a beautiful shipping container home nestled within the verdant ambience of Playa Pelada in Costa Rica. The house is ingeniously constructed, comprising two 40-foot shipping containers, artfully stacked atop two 20-foot containers aligned perpendicularly. Positioned on the top floor are three exquisite bedrooms, each affording panoramic views of the captivating jungle canopy of Playa Pelada. Downstairs, two distinct units, each featuring a bedroom and bathroom, offer a potential source of rental income, enhancing the home's functionality. A spiral steel staircase gracefully ascends to the upper level where the heart of the home resides. As one steps inside, the interior unfolds into a realm of unparalleled creativity and minimalistic elegance. The interior and harmonious blend of tradition and innovation preserves the essence of conventional home while at the same time embracing modern comfort and industrial design. The open-plan living area seamlessly integrates a luminous single-walled kitchen equipped with stainless steel appliances, exquisite countertops, and contrasting upper and lower cabinets. Adjacent to the kitchen, a minimalist lounge area beacons with its inviting sofas and bespoke coffee table. This space effortlessly transitions into a charming dining area that can seat four, illuminated by a custom pendant light that elegantly defines the dining space. Floor-to-ceiling glass doors, which can be fully opened, dissolve the boundaries between the indoor and the outdoor realms, providing an enchanting, uninterrupted connection with nature. The outdoor area is thoughtfully appointed with a variety of comfortable chairs, inviting residents to bask in the evening stars while savoring the expansive rural panorama. The master bedroom, sanctuary of tranquility, exudes a sense of spaciousness, featuring a plush double bed adorned with soft pillows and warm beddings. There is a capacious closet for ample storage and a convenient office area. This room epitomizes comfort and functionality. The master bedroom's allure is further heightened by a glass door that opens onto a sun-drenched terrace, effectively doubling the bed space. The terrace, bedecked with a cozy daybed, offers an idyllic spot for leisurely pursuits, whether it be engrossing oneself in a captivating book or simply reveling in the breathtaking views while bathed in the golden glow of winter sunshine. Ascending to the second floor reveals two bedrooms of equal allure, each thoughtfully furnished with loft beds and petite windows for natural ventilation. These bedrooms share a tastefully tiled full bathroom, emphasizing the residents' commitment to both aesthetic appeal and function. The interior of the house is adorned in light hues, amplifying the sense of spaciousness and ensuring a bright, airy ambience courtesy of the generously sized glazed openings. The property has got two rental units located on the bottom floor. The bottom floor rental units have got independent access to each unit on the opposite side. The two separate rental units come with open plan layouts big enough to accommodate a lounge area, a generously fitted kitchenette with open shelving and under-the-counter storage. There is a dining counter which serves as a working table on the opposite side of the kitchenette and a dedicated corner space for a bed space. These rental units have got full bathrooms on one end, which are nicely appointed like any lavish bathroom for a hotel room. The individual rental units are given a personalized identity with selected furniture pieces, artifacts, and feature walls given separate colors to create a personalized identity. The full height glazing provides unrestricted access, maximum daylighting, and cross ventilation to create a fully functional rental unit. These rental units provide an amazing design where the owner lives upstairs and is able to sublet the lower level unit to supplement his income. Externally, the industrial charm of the raw shipping container walls remains intact, adding a distinctive touch to the overall design. The house is safeguarded by a sturdy roof that not only shields it from the elements but also prevents water from pooling atop the containers, averting potential corrosion and rust. Expansive decks surround the residence, providing ample space for relaxation and contemplation. Here, one can unwind at any time of the day, immersing themselves in a good read, sipping tea, or indulging in a glass of wine, whilst marveling at the picturesque scenery that unfolds before you. In essence, this shipping container home transcends the ordinary, embodying the perfect amalgamation of artistry, functionality, and natural splendor. This amazing house is listed for sale at $675,000 US. Which part of this container home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. Would you buy this container home for the listed price? Also, give us your opinion by sharing your views in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Hello and welcome. If you love shipping container homes or you are planning on building one, on this channel we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.